Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. Here at Drinkstuff, we're all about giving you cocktail and drinks inspiration to help you make better drinks at home or in your pubs and bars. As I always say, a lot of that is to do with giving you inspiration, cocktail inspiration, telling you about different syrups and purees and how you can use the stuff that Drinkstuff sells to make better drinks. However, a lot of that has also got to do with the bartending fundamentals, how to. So this is the third video I've done. I've covered how to use, why do we use so much ice, and how to use a cocktail shaker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shake a cocktail. Now, I'm sorry if that sounds really stupid and teaching you how to suck eggs, but I get this question on my own channel a lot. I'm known for my porn star martini. It's the biggest kind of video that I have personally. And I get the question all the time is, Steve, we just don't get the froth on our porn star martini. Why not? You know, we've used your recipe, why did we get it? And it all comes down to your shaking. So as much as this might be obvious to a lot of people, a lot of you, especially if you watch my channel, I know a lot of you just can't shake cocktails properly. So I've got this left over from the previous video. Pretend your cocktail is made up in there, okay? So you've got your Boston glass, your Boston shake. All right, so the tin goes on. Now, the whole thing about shaking, it doesn't matter. If you watch bartenders in five-star hotels, you know, proper sort of mixology bars, they're all really fancy with their kind of actions, and they're kind of up here and they're down here, and you know, that bit doesn't matter at all. Only in the proper out and out mixology, and Japanese bartenders are kind of going for this at the moment. They have different kind of shake techniques because it's all about, they get extra dilution quicker or something by, it's all science and all that. And we're not talking about science here. We're just talking the basic principles of shaking a cocktail. So when you've got your shaker, go and look previous video of how to actually use the Boston shaker properly. But you just need to shake it like you want to wake it, like the old Orangina advert. Give it some proper welly. None of this kind of limp-wristed stuff. None of that. That's not going to serve the purpose. It's not going to chill your cocktail down. You're not going to get a perfect drink. You're certainly not going to get the texture that you want. Proper, hard, fast welly. It doesn't matter if you look stupid. Just give it proper welly. My cocktail shaking technique is as dull as they come. It's just like there. Proper, hard and fast. I should have done this with some juice so you could see it frothing up in there. But yeah, that's all you need to do. It's proper, hard, fast. Remember, no limp-wristed stuff. Nothing like that at all. That is not going to serve you anything. So whether you're up here, whether you're holding it like that and you're doing something funny like that, whether you're kind of, you know, if you want to be I get blokes on cocktail masterclasses all the time trying to be, oh, look at me, all macho, you know, one-handed shake. That's complete rubbish, because I guarantee it, those ones will just not, especially on the porn star martini, won't get the froth at all. So hard, fast, welly, all right? 10, 12 seconds. Get a sweat on, get out of breath, and that is how you shake a cocktail. I guarantee if you do that, all of your cocktails will come out absolutely banging. They'll look amazing and they'll taste better because they're properly diluted and chilled, and that is what you want. So I hope you like that video. See, I'm out of breath now. Hope you like that video. Give us a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you like us, if you want to see more of our content, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. That's it from me. I'll see you in the very next video.